Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 lineup, is heating up fast, and the latest leaks just threw more fuel on the fire. Last week, it was all about the camera, but now we're shifting focus to the display, and honestly, things are looking pretty sweet. So remember hearing about Samsung possibly using some new kind of screen tech? Turns out that's actually happening. It's called COD, short for Color Filter on Encapsulation, and Ice Universe, the go-to source for Samsung leaks, just gave it the stamp of approval. Now, all the nerdy details aside, here's what matters. This new tech makes the screen slimmer, brighter, and way more efficient. Think better battery life, a more vivid display, and a phone that doesn't feel like a brick. And there's more. The Ultra model's also getting a fancy anti-reflective coating, version 3 apparently, which means you won't have to squint like you're staring into the sun every time you check your phone outdoors. Glare and reflections, consider them handled. Speaking of the Ultra, Samsung's stretching the screen a little more, up to 6.89 inches now, but they're keeping the phone about the same width as last year's model, so those bezels practically disappearing. It's starting to look like a premium slab of glass, not just a phone. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some screen sizes for the Fold S26 series just leaked, and they've shuffled things around. We've got a regular S26 with a 6.27-inch display and S26 Edge sitting at 6.66 inches, and that massive 6.89-inch Ultra. But the S26 Plus, nowhere in sight. Like, not even a whisper. The model numbers are showing up for all the others, but the Plus seems to be MIA, so it's looking like Samsung might be cutting it from the lineup this year. And there's a little twist with the base S26 Model 2. Its model number jumped up quite a bit from last year, which usually means a bigger design change is on the way. Could be they're giving it a sleeker look, maybe even borrowing some Edge-style design touches. Bottom line, Samsung's shaking things up. Thinner phones, better screens, maybe even a tighter lineup without the overlap. Honestly, if everything pans out, the S26 Ultra could be the cleanest, most refined Galaxy yet. Can't wait to see what else drops.